Hello, welcome to the second video from the SRG Group, Government Model Higher Secondary School, Perindalmana. Before you watch this, please make sure that you have read the text. It will be helpful for you to identify the hard spots. Otherwise, you will find it difficult. Thank you. As we watched in the last video, it is to be remembered that emancipation means liberation or freedom and empowerment of women is of great importance in every society. In India, we made some progress, but still we have a long way to go. What should we do to reach this goal? So, we have a very remarkable speech by Christine Lagarde, and the speech is given below. The 3 L's of empowerment. Christine Lagarde. Good afternoon. It is great to be among friends and kindred spirits. So the way the speech begins is with an address, a salutation. She says that she is very happy to be among her friends and kindred spirits. Kindred spirits means people who think alike, people having the similar feeling. Now, coming to the first paragraph, it says about the challenges of the 21st century. And also, it tells that the economic role of women in a quickly changing world. Let's read on. The 21st century poses many challenges that require new ways of thinking, none more important than the economic role of women in a rapidly changing world. So the role of women, the economic role of women in a rapidly means quickly changing world. But women today remain blocked from contributing their true potential. This has a huge cost. In some countries, per capita income lag significantly because women are denied equal opportunity. But unfortunately, what happens around is that women are blocked, women are prevented. They have this great setback to contribute their true potential. So their true potential, what they can do is always being blocked. They cannot show their true abilities and talents. This has a huge cost. The cost of blocking the potential of a woman has a huge cost. You have to really worry about the cost that you pay for blocking a woman from her true abilities. In some countries, per capita income lag significantly because women are denied equal opportunity. In some countries, mostly Asian, African countries, per capita income means per capita, per head income, per person income lag significantly. So there is a very decrease in the per head income in some countries. And the reason is that, what is the reason? Women are denied equal opportunity. Women are not given equal opportunity, so that's why the per head income is very low in some countries. They means women. They represent half the world's population but contribute far less than 50% of economic activity. When you take the case of world's population, the 50 percentage, approximately 50 percentage of the world's population is represented by women. But when you take the case of the 50 percentage of economic activity of the world, we can see only a very meager, a very small amount of women contributing to the economic activity of the world. What is needed to change this picture is a concerted effort to open the door to opportunity with what I call the 3 L's of women's empowerment. So, how can we tackle this situation? How can we make women contributing more to the economy of the world? So, what is needed to change this picture is an activity, a concerted activity, a concerted effort means which is done in combination of what we call the 3 L's of women's empowerment. The 3 L's are learning, labor, and leadership. So these 3 are the things that empower women. So we'll come to the details in the next class. Thank you.